Hello, this is Joe with VaultSync Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about GDBS Pro Plasma Module. You can find this under the Pro button on the top left-hand corner in yellow or orange. Click Plasma and you'll find each of the menu options available to you, whether it be a circular or shaped negative triangularity Tokamak, Stellarator or FRC, Eigenmode or simulation, or to optimize, get a prediction. Take a look at the constraints to export the values, run an equilibrium, a ballooning, a Mercier, multimode, sensitivity, convergence, EFIT import, or to review validation. The slider up on the top right is the relational depth that you can get for coherence. So we're going to run a quick scan. After the scan is done in 77 milliseconds, we can see the output by what constants we input onto this solution. And we can see a gridded output of the variable and values, as well as what the reference is. And when we click our animation, we can see a circular tokamak would expect to have this type of animation. As we move through, we can run any other scans that we wish to have, and we can change and input different variables. Now, again, this is more of a demonstration. In later on in these solutions, while we can run quite a few different configurations, these configurations are bound to whatever the inputs are and the mathematics that are already bound to the system. However, we can go to an equilibrium and we can do solvers. Now, in this particular case, you can see what we're doing and you can get a very good information. And again, this chart should allow you to zoom and scale and whatever other things you need to do. So now we're going to do ballooning. We can see what that graph would do. Mercier, compute the DM, a multi-mode. We can scan all of the modes here, run a sensitivity scan. And again, we have different options that we can choose, whether it be shaped tokamak, negative triangularity, or stellarator. In this case, I did a shaped tokamak, and we can see the input values on elasticity as they come back. We can also run a comparative convergence study and get an understanding of where our relative errors might be. Again, the idea here is we provide these in order for you to get a very good idea of what the response would be in each of these different applications. And these have been validated and verified against external studies, external values that are presented uh, by uh, the industry as a whole for the ontology. We are looking to make sure that these values do read out exactly as they are projected to be. And in the case of any values that we're using, uh, you know, uh, simulation or physics or et cetera, that we're passing the right physics conversation through the system and the mathematics performs as it should. As we move, we then wanted to go and speak to others, yet we're not going to quite yet. We've done the plasma, and I believe that that gives you a very good idea about where we're going and what we're doing and what we have been doing. Is there other places where you can do these things? Absolutely. You can go to the HPC and run different plasma type simulations in order to understand exactly what you'll need. Again, the goal here is to provide you a direct opportunity to be able to run these, uh, whether they be uh, under our Pro model or they're under the HPC module. Anyway, thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, you can email us directly. If you're interested, you can also get in contact with us at sales@getvaultsync.com, or you can just go to our website and click the links and find our contact information down below. If you do have any concerns or if you want to make some questions or if you have some views that you think that we need to add, go ahead and let us know as well in the comments on YouTube. Or again, just go to our website and communicate directly there. Have a great day. Take care. VaultSync.